Medical coding is a process of transforming diseases, procedures, equipment and supplies into alphanumerical codes. In this video, now I am going to discuss about why medical coding is important and role of a medical coder in today's healthcare system, scope and career growth of medical coding and eligibility of medical coding. Why medical coding is important in today's healthcare scenario? In a general scenario, when a physician provides a treatment to a patient, the patient has to pay the bill. The bill can be payable in two methods. One is self-payment by cash and another is payment through insurance company. It depends upon which medical insurance the patient has. And in order to process the bill, the medical coder acts as a link between the insurance company and the healthcare provider, that is hospital, for processing the medical claims by reimbursing money to the provider, then to patient. That means if patient is a medical insurance holder, he will get his money reimbursed based on the type of insurance policy the patient has. Coming to the role of a medical coder in today's healthcare system. Medical coder helps to review and process medical claims for reimbursement of money from the insurance company. The physician documents the ailments and chief complaints in a prescribed format called medical records. And medical coder is a professional responsible for allocating codes from the medical records using coding manuals such as ICD, CPT and HCPCS for each claims. Moving to the scope of medical coding. Medical coding career is high demanding job worldwide as the healthcare insurance, especially in Middle East countries, as the medical insurance is mandatory for everyone. Medical coding professionals has its own importance and scope in high demand. In fact, jobs in this field are projected to grow by 15% through 2024 according to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, that is BLS. So job opportunities are expected to continue growing faster than the average. Thus, the stability and opportunity for medical coding is much more when compared to other professionals. The eligibility of medical coding. Graduates from life science backgrounds such as MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, BPharm, MPharm, microbiology, zoology, biochemistry, biology, botany are eligible with or without CPC coding certifications. And life science background professionals having CPC certification has an added advantage. And non-life science backgrounds such as BTech, MTech, MBA and MSc professionals are eligible, but they should have a CPC certification or a medical coding training that is mandatory. In today's scenario, CPC certification is mandatory for working as a medical coder in a leading and reputable hospitals and healthcare organizations, especially in Gulf countries, India and in United States and worldwide. Coming to the regulatory bodies providing medical coding certifications are: first one is AAPC, that is American Association of Professional Coders, and second one is AHIMA, that is American Health Information Management Association, and CPC, Certified Professional Coder, that is a CPC certification from AAPC, and CCS, Certified Coding Specialist from AHIMA. When compared to AHIMA, AAPC CPC certification is the gold standard for medical coding and billing, and it is the most popular certification to start a career in medical coding and billing. Thank you.